Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove the motor assembly or power module from the Arrma 4x4 version 3. Now Arrma does have a video on this and it does a pretty good job of explaining things, but they don't really show you everything in the video. The reason I say that is because when you're removing things for the first couple of times on the truck, everything is fitted very tight, so it's very hard to take off. Now, if you take a look at Arrma's video, they only demonstrated it on a used vehicle where the parts are already taken off and are looser and easier to remove. So if you're stuck on how to remove some of the parts on the Arrma 4x4, this video is going to make things a lot easier for you. First up, you will need to remove the screw on the bottom of the chassis. After that, you will need to remove the center brace, which is the red part right here. Now, some of you guys may be stuck on how to remove this without destroying your fingers, so just take a flathead screwdriver or something like this and put it between the center drive shaft and the red tab, and it should pop right off, just like this. And you can just pull on it to get the rest of it off. Now we can remove the center drive shaft. Since the center drive shaft is spring-loaded, you can compress it. And to remove the center drive shaft, compress the front of it so that it leaves a gap between the spline and the front of the drive shaft, and put a flathead there so that it doesn't go back into the spline. And then compress it the other way so that it clears the spline here, and then it just pops right out. Then disconnect the motor wires. Now you can remove the power module. To do that, position the car so that the rear bumper is facing you, and then pull on the pull tab right here with one thumb, and then push it out with the other thumb, and it should come out. And there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful with some of the harder parts of this process. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you want more of these types of videos, consider subscribing, as it will help me out in the future. If you have any questions, please feel free to post them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.